Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be providing an introduction to Gua Sha. One of my favorite massage modalities is Gua Sha. I practice both Gua Sha and IASTM. And today, I'm here to give you a quick summary of the benefits of Gua Sha and what to expect when receiving a Gua Sha treatment. I will also show you some of the inexpensive tools I use to perform Gua Sha.
Gua Sha is extremely effective at providing quick relief for a wide range of disorders by helping the body to heal itself. During a Gua Sha treatment, we can use a smooth-edged tool to scrape over lubricated skin. When you're treating an area, you normally treat it for about 5 minutes or until redness comes up or to when the petechia comes up, you would stop. Pay attention to any bony prominences and avoid them or go very light over them. Also, if you have any birthmarks, moles, pimples, raised areas on the skin, you would want to avoid that. You could cover it with a finger if you needed, just to make sure that you didn't go over it. You can gently use Gua Sha on your scalp, as well as the back of your neck and your upper back to relieve any tension that may be causing headaches. You can actually use Gua Sha to help alleviate jaw tension to reduce pain from TMJ dysfunction. So depending on the body part you're working on, your stroke can be about 4 to 5 inches. Like, you could actually use this part if you wanted to get into small spots on your hand. Or this part. You also could just do facial Gua Sha with these tools. You don't have to have anything fancy to do facial Gua Sha. Just put some oil. And you can use the spoon, the wide edge. And I'm just kind of doing outward strokes toward my hairline. And that's it. You can also do some upward strokes towards your hairline. And if you wanted to do acupressure on certain spots, you could use this small end, maybe like on your eyebrows. You can also use the metal lid for facial Gua Sha. Now, when you're finished using your Gua Sha tool, you want to keep it clean, so you can use dish soap to remove any oil and clean it. And I also use a thymol-based disinfectant because it's plant-based. So this one is just a disinfectant cleaner spray, and this is also thymol-based, and it's just wipes. So you can get these wipes. And you can buy this spray at Aldi. Keep in mind, if you're going to share these tools with anybody else, you want to use a high level or hospital grade disinfectant or an autoclave, because you don't want to get any kind of cross contamination. Another option you can have is just buying these lids in bulk. I buy them from online from SKS, and I can put a link in the description. These are 6011-11 gold metal plastisol line closure. So you can basically use one of these on your client and then throw it away when you're done. So you don't have to worry about getting an autoclave or anything.
During a Gua Sha treatment, a smooth-edged tool is used to scrape over lubricated skin. This results in improved blood flow to the area, stimulates lymphatic circulation, and reduces inflammation. Gua Sha can be used to help break up adhesions, fascial restrictions, soft tissue dysfunction, and to release tension that's causing pain. There may be some discomfort during treatment, but it generally feels like a form of deep tissue massage that produces warmth and mild redness. Gua Sha can break up and soften scar tissue, as well as to help remove cellular debris that is stuck in the tissue, minimizing the appearance of the scar. Different tools may have different edges you can use. The porcelain spoon has both wide and narrow parts. The side can be used to apply a wide stroke. You can use the rounded part of the spoon to apply a narrow stroke, resulting in a more focused effect. After a Gua Sha treatment, stretch the affected muscle for at least 90 seconds. We recommend that the area where Gua Sha was applied be shielded from wind and direct sun or cold. Any discoloration should fade within 3 to 7 days. Usually, the client will notice a significant reduction in pain and an increased range of motion immediately. It typically takes 3 to 4 treatments to achieve lasting relief.
I'm just going to show you applying some Gua Sha to my arm. Just making sure I have enough oil. You can totally use this spoon to apply Gua Sha all over different body parts. And the dark red is the petechia. The petechia will last like much longer. That's what will last 2 to 7 days. And then this redness around it will go away really quick. But the petechia is representation of where I'm having some stagnation, some stuck tissues. And I'm just gonna do some stretches on this area and massage it to try to break up the adhesions. And I really wouldn't, want to aggravate the area, so I would definitely stop at that point because it's pretty red already.
Gua Sha is a form of bodywork originating from traditional Chinese medicine. It's extremely effective in providing quick relief for a wide range of disorders by helping the body to heal itself. According to traditional Chinese medicine, where there is restriction in the flow of blood and energy called qi, there is pain. The lack of movement creates stagnation that usually results in discomfort and pain. Where there is a free flow of blood and qi, there is no pain. Gua Sha has been used for thousands of years, and with Gua Sha, we are stimulating the flow of qi in the body. Do not use Gua Sha techniques on yourself if any of these apply to you. You are on anticoagulant medication or have a bleeding disorder such as hemophilia. You have weak or thin skin. If you are pregnant, consult with your doctor before applying Gua Sha. Do not use Gua Sha techniques on the following areas: directly over an area of recent trauma, over broken skin or an open wound, over varicose veins or other enlarged blood vessels, over an area with edema, which is a buildup of excess fluids, over a thrombosis, an aneurysm, or advanced arteriosclerosis. I'll be creating more videos on Gua Sha and IASTM, so be sure to subscribe